Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you earn money through Cash App and how can you earn money through Cash App referral code. Basically, in this video, we are going to know that how can you earn money by sending this apps or Cash App link to someone. Whenever they will registered by your link, the $5 amount will be cash back into your account and then you can use it where you want. So the first step is to do, you just have to go on your Cash App application. I'm just telling you the procedure because I don't have Cash App application available in my country. So I will just tell you the process by which you can just do this thing and earn unlimited money through the Cash App. So the first step is to go on your Cash App application where you will just get the app. The first step is to download the app, and the second step is you just have to enter your referral code. Whenever your friend or any of your friend is registering or enrolling for the app, you just have to enter your referral code in their referral section, and then you can just switch their account. After that, you just have to link a physical debit card, not you, your friend which using your referral code. They need to link their debit card or a physical card, cash card, and after that you will receive $5 within the 14 days of successfully registration of their account. So this is all about the video, how can you earn money from the Cash App. If you have any type of suggestion, query or confusion regarding any topic, so just drop that into the comment section. We will surely make a detailed video on that topic soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel. We will meet again next in the best video with all of you.